Namaste, children. A very warm welcome on another session in math. Today, we will revise the concept of largest and smallest numbers. Let's look at this picture. Look at the first row. What do you see? Fish, right? Now point at the smallest fish. Great job! Can you point at the biggest fish too? Wow! What do you see in the second row? Yes, it's a dolphin. Now point at the smallest dolphin. Lovely. Tell me which is the biggest dolphin. Great job. Let's now come to the third row. Yes, you're right. It's a pigeon. Let's point out at the smallest pigeon in this row. Now, point out at the biggest pigeon in this row. Wow, very good. What do you see in the fourth row, children? You're right, it's a frog. Let's see which is the smallest frog hopping. Point out at the biggest frog hopping. Lovely. The fifth row has elephants. Will you point out at the smallest elephant in this row? You're right. Let us see if you know which is the biggest elephant in this row. Wonderful. The last row has leopards. Point at the smallest leopard in this row. You're right. Now point at the biggest leopard in this row. Super! Children, you have understood the concept of biggest and smallest through this activity. If you want, you can color the biggest picture in each row red and the smallest picture in each row yellow. Here is another interesting worksheet for you. There are 3 rows in this worksheet. In the first row, there are 3 cars. There is a circle made under each car. You will write 1 below the smallest object, 2 below the big one, and 3 below the biggest car. What do you see in the second row? Yes, these are pencils. You will write 1 under the smallest pencil, 2 below the big one, and 3 below the biggest one. Please do that. Are you all enjoying doing this activity? I'm sure you are. The third row has flowers. You will write 1 under the smallest flower. you will write 2 under the big one and 3 under the biggest flower. That's all you have to do in this worksheet. Now, look at this activity sheet. There are 4 boxes with numbers written in them. You will color the largest number in each box. Children, you can do these worksheets to practice the concept biggest and smallest, or you can create some more worksheets on your own. You can continue doing some more exciting worksheets on biggest and smallest till we meet again. Have a nice day.